Core i3. People see Intel Core i3 and instantly think cheap garbage. But that's actually wrong. Intel i3 is basically the beginner athlete of CPUs. Not the strongest, not the fastest, but still really capable. Think of it like this. An Intel i3 is like a small city car. It won't win Formula One races. But for daily driving, it does the job perfectly. Watching YouTube? Easy. Schoolwork? Easy. Discord and browsing? Still easy. Gaming? Actually, yes. If the graphics card helps, games like Minecraft, Valorant can run on Intel Core i3. That's why modern Intel i3 CPUs surprise people. They're budget CPUs that save money. So tell me honestly, would you buy an Intel i3 PC in 2026 or skip it completely?
Intel Core i5. This is probably the most recommended processor on Earth. Not budget. Not insanely expensive either. Intel i5 lives right in the middle. And honestly, that's exactly why people love it. Think of it like a sporty everyday car. Fast enough to feel powerful, but still practical for normal life. Gaming? Easy. Homework? Easy. Editing videos? Still easy. That's why Intel i5 became the safe choice CPU. It's powerful enough for most people, without destroying your wallet. And honestly, most people buy i7 South or i9 South don't even use all that power. So now I want to know, would you buy an Intel i5 today? Or go straight for an i7? Tell me in the comments.
Core i7. The i7 sounds powerful, sounds expensive, but what actually is it? And more importantly, should you care about it? Let's break it down, simply. Intel makes a whole family of CPUs. You've got the i3, the i5, the i7, and the i9. Think of them like school grades. i3 is a C, gets the job done, barely. i5 is a B, solid, reliable, no drama. i7 is supposed to be the A student, faster, stronger, more capable. And the i9? That's a different video. So what actually makes the i7 better than an i5? Three things: more cores, more threads, bigger cache. Cores are like workers in a factory. More workers means more tasks get done at the same time. Threads are like how many jobs each worker can handle at once. Cache is the worker's memory. The bigger it is, the less time wasted going back and forth for information. Put it all together and the A7 handles heavy work without breaking a sweat. Make sure you like and subscribe. Next video where I explain A9 and the rest.